Hey guys, it's Mark here and welcome back to another video. And again, I accidentally shoot the video in SNQ, and which is not a great option to shoot it with, especially when I'm talking about a product or anything else. And as you know, today's video is gonna be the Mi Wi-Fi range extender. So I actually gotten this because one thing is I couldn't really reach my room for my Wi-Fi outside, because most of the time it's actually like, you know, housing areas all breaks and stuff like that, so all the connection is getting interrupted, and even the door is like really thick. The moment I close the door is like one of my bar is just well missing. So basically I have gotten this to put in my room and see how things goes as well. And basically, okay, I'm just gonna re-unbox it again. Okay, so without further ado, let's get it started. Okay, so first thing first is definitely the cases now, the COVID cases now is actually rising. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy as well. And I really hope you guys are staying at home as well to, you know, to not go out and also going out less. Because I noticed there's a lot of people could keep on going out without any purpose, having purpose or any reason to go out too. And most of the time it's not meeting up friends and stuff like that. I hope you guys can reduce that. It's actually going up and down. It's a bit crazy. Sometimes it's almost to 5k of cases for one day. So I hope you guys are really staying safe and staying healthy. Remember to sanitize everything that you guys touches and your hand as well. Even your car, I mean, definitely your car need to be sanitized as well. So it's best to do so the steering wheel, even the seat itself as well. And always come home and take a shower as quickly as possible then, because of, you know, for the safety purposes, I guess. Yeah. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. So this is the box. It's actually quite small. I expect it to be a little bit bigger, but I didn't expect it to be this small, and that's like my hand right now. So, and when it arrived, I thought, oh no, it's a bit too small, and I thought it's gonna be bigger. It's a good thing, because small is good, at the same time it's just save more space. And okay, let's go to the inside the box itself. Inside the box is the warranty notice and also the user guide, which is pretty common, and I hope they can reduce this as well to put things online for environment purposes. And other than that, is just left with this. This is the final one. I actually done the setup video as well, but at the same time it's just, well, SNQ happened again. So yeah, so this is the Mi Wi-Fi, and you can actually it comes out in like this. Then after that, you can just rotate it out for the range signal stuff. Then after that, they gave me a US pin, and I don't have anything with US pin. This frustrates me. I thought I can reduce more space, so apparently I need to use the adapter itself, and this is not making things to save space. I'm a bit disappointed. I normally will link things down below where you can buy. I'm not gonna link this down below where we're gonna buy the same thing. You might get a US pin or you might get a UK pin. I do not know, and I don't want to risk you guys having the same issue why basically what I'm facing right now, where I have to use this to actually make it work. Yeah. And I hope this will help for the Wi-Fi range. I just need the Wi-Fi to work so I can use a little bit of internet here and there, because most of the time, because the Wi-Fi does not connect it to the end of the room, at the same time, it's just sometimes it judders and buffers, and sometimes it just doesn't load even a Google page. So basically, previously I was using this. This was okay-ish, not so bad, but it can be better range-wise, and accepting the Wi-Fi wise is a bit okay, not so at a good side, but at the same time I feel like this will help. I mean, judging by the looks, it looks like it will help, but I hope so it will help. So I'm gonna plug this in, and yeah. Okay, to actually set up this, you need to download the Mi Home app, and it's actually quite easy. All you need to do is go to the page, set up, find the router section and select this. Then after that, enter your select your Wi-Fi name, enter your Wi-Fi password, press next, confirm. Then after that, you connect to your this thing was called Xiaomi repeater or something like that. Then after that, just connect it through the Wi-Fi settings on the setting page, not the Mi Home page. And after that, go back to your Mi Home, it will start connecting. The setup process is actually quite fast and it's super easy, and this is what I like about this. So overall, setup complete, easy, and it's quite good as well. And so far, I mean, accepting Wi-Fi speed wasn't that great because upstairs we actually had around 200 megabytes per second. That was at least the minimum. Then after that, when I plug this in, it's around like 30-ish megabytes per second. I mean, which is pretty usable, but I'm gonna test it out and see how it goes first. Then after that, yeah, see where it leads, and hopefully I can game with it a little bit here and there as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, find this informative. If you guys have any question, feel free to drop me a comment down below or contact me through Twitter, just tweet at me, or maybe Instagram or whatsoever, whichever platform you guys are comfortable with. And if you guys have any question, just drop a comment and find me on social media. So yeah, and remember guys, hope you guys stay safe and staying healthy, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.